AMC Stock, GameStop, these stocks are absolutely volatile as can be this morning, and we're seeing that evidenced by some trading halts. Now, I know a lot of people out there might be wondering what in the world is happening. Why are these stocks being halted? Guys, the last time we saw some volatility like this, the last time we saw some price action like we're seeing right now, amazing things followed. So don't necessarily take the trading halts as a bad thing. They are in place. They are in place for all stocks across the board. And I want to talk about some of the reasons why you see these trading halts and why AMC and GameStop both halted out this morning. And that's not the reason that they started to pull back. Don't blame it on that. We've got extreme volatility, and actually the volatility is much greater than normal because these halts happened in the first 15 minutes of the trading day. So get excited about AMC. Let's discuss these halts and what's next. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Look, if you're brand new to investing, you want to jump in on the action right now, but you don't know where or how, you got a link in the description for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, get you 5 free stocks. You're going to get some free crypto just for making a crypto trade. And then if you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges, those are down there as well. And yes, you're not going to want to miss out on this, so you want to check that out and get a brokerage account set up as soon as possible, because guys, if we just go back, the volatility that we're seeing this morning is very reminiscent of what we saw back at the end of May, beginning of June 2021. I know it. I know you know it. Traders out there are seeing it, and it's crazy that they're flocking in at these rates. But I want to discuss these trading halts because people might be wondering why AMC and GameStop halted out this morning. They weren't trading for about 5 minutes. Did this kill the momentum? I'm going to say no for a couple of reasons, okay? Number one being they were halted on the way back down. So in essence, it could have saved them from falling even further. But how does a stock halt? A stock can fall into 3 or 4 different categories based on its index listings, based on its price, and based on its inherent volatility. Of course, the lower the stock is priced, the higher the bands or the higher the limit is that these stocks can fluctuate before getting halted. Now, we watched AMC stock move this morning from about $29 all the way up to $34.33 in a matter of like 4 minutes. And then it started to come back down, and it started to come back down heavy. It came from $34.33 all the way to, I believe, $29.07 before being halted. So how does this happen? Halts are these are just automatic halts based on the trading ranges. Now, when you're getting this trading volume and you're getting the percent move that's allowed, you have to look at things like the price that's acceptable and things like that, where it's listed. And AMC should fall under Tier 1. Tier 1, you're looking at a 5% band based on the previous 5% or previous 5 minutes trading price. Now, that means if AMC is trading with a 5%, within a 5% range of its previous 5 minutes average, it's okay. It's acceptable. Now, if it tips in there, if it, hits that 5% line and falls right back down, that's still okay because it's got to exceed that band for at least 15-second period before it becomes halted. Now, guys, we saw that it happened much more than 5% this morning. It was roughly a 17% move, and we're looking at that because in the first 15 minutes of the trading day, bands are doubled. If your normal bands are 5%, you're doubled to 10. If your normal bands are 10%, you're doubled to 20, and so on. There's extreme volatility every morning and every close. 9:30 to 9:45 a.m. Eastern Time, and then I believe 3:35 to 4 p.m. Eastern Time, bands are doubled. And the amazing thing about AMC and GameStop halting today is that it happened within the first, I think, like 5 or 6 minutes of the trading day, maybe a little more than that. It was the first 10 minutes of the trading day, roughly. And that means the bands were doubled. So we had twice the volatility as we normally would before we would see these trading halts. So AMC running up 18, 17+% and then dropping back down 17+% as quick as it did triggered these halts, and that's why AMC was halted this morning, is simply because it's not anything to do with buy buttons being taken away. It doesn't have anything to do with, illegal activity. All of this stuff is set up beforehand, and it's really to, you put it in timeout for a second, okay? It's really to let people calm down, give them 5 minutes to regather themselves and say, okay, is this a trade that I really want to jump in? Is this a trade that I really want to get out of right now? It's just a little bit of a timeout period that says, okay, this is not normal stock trading behavior. Do you still want to participate in this stock? And I understand there's arguments against free and fair markets and all of that. Nothing should be halted, just let it run and everything like that. We're not here to argue that this morning. This is what we've got. These are not new rules just specific for AMC and new rules specific for GameStop. These rules have been around, and we expect halts. Now, you should absolutely expect halts during the short squeeze. I don't think this is a short squeeze yet, and I still don't know a lot of people that do think it's a short squeeze, especially here on YouTube or on Twitter and so on. What we've got right now, with already 60, almost 70 million shares being traded this morning, I believe it was roughly 30 million shares being traded in the first 5 to 10 minutes of the day on AMC stock alone. We've got extreme day trading activity, we've got extreme volatility, and we've got a lot of turnover going on in AMC stock and GameStop right now. Now guys, if you can't handle this type of volatility, if you can't handle price swings going up 20% and back down 20%, don't get out. Just prepare yourself. This is going to be normal, this is going to be natural, and this is going to be expected during the short squeeze. We can't get to ridiculously high numbers if we don't have the volatility that follows. Now, I want to tell everybody out there that this is exciting. Okay, this will be bringing in even more traders than we currently have, and this will increase the volatility even more. By the time I'm done with this video, AMC could be back up 20%. It could be back down 20%. We are seeing things that we haven't seen before, right? We're embarking on a new journey with AMC stock to squeeze it to ridiculously high numbers. Prepare yourself now. Learn from these halts, and man, get ready to move forward to some of the most ridiculously high prices you've ever seen in a short squeeze. I'm excited. I hope you're excited. And guys, we are going to have an amazing day today. Let us know in the comments below, just simply, are you ready? Are you ready? If this is the beginning, are you ready? Let us know down there. I sound like SpongeBob after saying, I'm ready. Oh, you got it. If this button right here is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. We will buy at ShimoniCrypto.com. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.